We have a new solar light. It's made by Adison and it's a motion sensor, super bright LED wall light with a remote control. I've never had a remote controlled solar light before, so this should be really convenient. So it comes with, let's see, instructions, the remote control, and the light, and then the hardware to install the light. I'm going to put this on the side of my deck in the backyard. I used to have a solar light there, but I moved that one into the garden to help keep deer away. So the area back there stays very dark, and a motion light, of course, is a great security and safety feature. Here's the remote control. There are 3 brightness levels to choose from, 3 modes. Mode 1 is continuously on, but with a motion sensor detection that goes to a bright light when there's motion. Mode 2 is off until it senses motion, and then it turns on with a bright light. And then there's mode 3 for no motion detection. That just stays on. And the remote control is said to work from a distance of up to 10 meters. This has 68 bright LED lights, and it will fully charge in 6 to 8 hours and provide 30 to 40 hours of light. Okay, I've got the remote, and I'm going to turn it on. Hey, there it goes. It's on motion detection, so let's let it turn off.
I want that remote. I need it.
Okay, so it's on dim mode. So Caius, walk over and we'll see what happens. There it goes! An intruder! Okay. Go ahead, Caius. There you go. That went from dim to bright. Okay. So wait for it to go off. Yeah. Wait for it to go off. Okay, now walk over to the deck and see what happens. Yes, it went on.
Yes, it went on.
Another intruder.
Another intruder. I know the intruder.
Here comes an intruder. Yes, it went on. So it's really great having the light there on the deck. Dimmer, dimmer, dimmer. And I don't know how well the camera's picking that up, but that got quite a bit dimmer. And then I'm going to hit the brightness level to go up. All right.
I think there's a monster over there.
Oh, well, if the monster comes over here, the light will come on. Right?
Right.
But you know there's really no monster.